Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna make slime from contact lens solution. I'm just gonna make slime second time and first time from contact lens solution. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, all you're going to need is a bowl and a mixing tool and 10 PVA glue. It's not necessary to take Elmer's, but you have to take glue which should contain PVA. Okay guys, so once it's done, I'm gonna add in some food coloring. It's totally optional, it's upon your choice. If you're gonna want to put in, you can. I'm going to put a bit of pink food coloring. The color is really light, so I put too much, like a bit much. So guys, you're going to mix it well. So guys, the food coloring's color was too light, so it's not visible. So I'm gonna put a bit more food coloring. Okay guys, so once you are done, I'm gonna put in some contact lens solution. Okay guys, so my contact lens solution, this contains boric acid. But I don't know if it will work for my slime or not. As you can see, it's coming together. I think I've put in too much, but it's coming together, like it's leaving the surface. Okay guys, so as you can see it in here, it's becoming a bit too more liquidy after adding in the lens solution. I don't know, but it's getting more liquidy. It's kind of like a fail thing structure. It's like I've put in the water. It's not becoming a slime at all, guys. So guys, this was a complete fail. I think so, because it's not definitely working. I don't know if I used the wrong lens solution, but this test contains, this is written contains. Okay guys, so don't use this contact lens solution because it doesn't work. So, and although it does contains boric acid,